your home and you need to buy a replacement home, and you need the funds of the home you're selling to purchase another property, sellers right now here in Houston, Cypress, and Katy, Texas, we have very limited inventory. Homes are selling like hotcakes and typically only take around 2 to 5 days to sell. They're selling with multiple offers and bidding wars. So many sellers are worried that they won't be able to find a replacement home. This is a totally valid concern given the market we're in right now. Hi, I'm Natasha Carroll with Natasha Carroll Realty. I've done a few videos going over solutions to this very common concern, and you can click the link below to watch them all right now if you like. One solution is that we can help you negotiate a rent back on your property. You see, in a competitive market like we are experiencing right now, where sellers have so many offers to choose from, sellers are much less likely to take a contingent offer because there's a risk that the home the buyer is buying could fall out of escrow. This would cause a seller selling their home to have to find a buyer. The seller would lose money and, of course, waste time. So it's much easier for them to accept a non-contingent offer. However, a solution for sellers who want to sell right now but are afraid that they won't be able to find a replacement home is to sell their home and do a rent back. You may be wondering, what is a rent back? A rent back is when after you sell your home, you remain in the property for a specific amount of time. This way, you have the funds to purchase a new home and you will not be contingent. So your offer is much more likely to be accepted. This will take some of the stress and worry out of the process. Now, there are terms to navigate and negotiations that need to be considered to keep you safe. But after helping sellers over the years, and we've seen it all, we know exactly what to negotiate and what needs to be considered on your behalf to keep you safe. So no need to worry. And this is just one of the many solutions that we have. There are many more solutions we have in helping you sell your home and get the home of your dreams, even with limited inventory. So give us a call, and don't worry, there is never any pressure or any obligation to meeting with us. We're just here to help you navigate the best strategy when selling your most valuable asset. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. And as always, have an awesome home buying and selling day.